Why are you still using it? So Nishant says, R is like Windows 95 nostalgic, but why are you still using it? All right. Nishant, I'm on board with that comparison. Guys, that's not a bad comparison, right? Why are you still using it? Now, I think the common path is that most of us use it in school, right? That's how usually we start with it. Some academic program, uses R. R is freely available. It's a local install. Well, and RStudio is also a local install, right? I think it's just one of those things that is really convenient to do. R was the first language I learned, and we use it a lot in economics, but there's no comparison. Python is way better. Yeah, absolutely, guys. And like I said earlier, guys, everybody loves Python until you have to do a large-scale implementation, and then everybody loves R until you have to do a large-scale implementation, and then you're just like, what am I doing? Why have I wasted my time with R? Nishan says, R is for academics. Python is for people who actually need to deliver. Ooh! But R does have its roots in the academic and the research communities, right? That's kind of like who R was intended to serve, right? I always say R was intended for somebody like an academic researcher who needs to model something. They write their white paper on it, and then the model is never used again, right? Because it's all theoretical PhD nonsense, right? And then the model's never used, never put away in some drawer, never looked at again, whatever, right? And R is very good for that because it's lightweight, it's local install, blah blah blah. But to use it at enterprise level, for the scale and speed that you need for enterprise level algorithms, wrong.